Here's a couple of Wolf primered up rounds. Let's see if this comes in about like that, and I'll go down here so you can see the trigger. It's a lot of like hang fires, so. Just like that. Or it's just a plain old dud. So there's the dud. Yoink. There's another dud. Like that. Okay. So come here. So out of a mag and a half of ammo. Here's what I got for duds. Dud.